This is a brief history of ZESTRON, everyone's favorite cleaning company. The year was 1989. The Montreal Protocol went into effect and CFCs were banned. Dr. O.K. Wack saw this opportunity and developed the first water-based cleaning product. Jump to 1992. Germany competed at the Summer Olympics in Barcelona, Spain, and ZESTRON was officially established and open for business in Ingolstadt, Germany. There was one simple idea.
At ZESTRON, our mission has always been to provide safety for humanity.
The bold yet simple idea worked. We expanded from a small town in Germany and opened technical centers all around the world, which in 2007 gave rise to our Manassas, Virginia location, allowing us to provide cleaning solutions and education for multiple industries. SMT, power electronics, semiconductor. If it's got a chip in it, we've cleaned it. And even worked on some things you might not see. Now with 8 technical centers, 200 plus cleaning products and over 300 employees, we offer products to 150 countries and counting. You can visit us in person, on the phone.
Good morning, thanks for calling ZESTRON.
Or online. Check out the volume we can produce. Also check out our cool engineers. Kalyan has been practicing, can you tell? And our customer's favorite part? Our technical center.
Obviously, the benefits of our technical center is an extension of our customers' capabilities.
Thanks for keeping it short and sweet, Umut. Optimize, qualify or validate any process with our machines. That's why we have them. This is the president and CEO. He still comes to work every day. And our ZESTRON America's EVP, he's somewhere around here. Anyways, this is Brittany in R&D. Oops, sorry, she's busy. This is our warehouse. That's Dan and Jared. Zipping around, filling your orders. ZESTRON is global and open every day of the week, except the weekend, of course. This is ZESTRON.